So here I am, and what I'm going to do is see what this does. Right? This is my concoction I made up. It looks nasty, and I'm going to rub it on one of my beehives here, and just see what happens. I did mix in some sheep. I believe this is vegetable oil, I think. I don't know. May or may not be. But it had flowers on it, right? It's nanohana. I think it's nanohana. So here is this waxy goop. I really need something to dig in here with. Ugh. I need my trusty old tool. So let's first try on the outside. See what this looks like. What happens with this on the outside? Well, that ain't gonna do anything. I've got to get it wet, warmed up. This granulated stuff isn't going to do anything. No, it ain't going to work. So much for that. I don't have any matches. I need to warm this stuff up, make it waxy again, and then when it's warm, apply it, because right now it's just dried wax. And that ain't gonna do squat. So live and learn. I gotta go get matches.